Hello and welcome to How to Grow Cosmos from Seeds. The first step is to buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local gardening store, but you may be able to get them online. The reverse of the packet usually shows the growing times and conditions for your region. The conditions here are shown for the UK. Step 2. Fill a propagator tray with compost. A propagator tray is a shallow plastic tray with a transparent lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. It keeps them moist and warm. Fill the tray to within about 1 centimetre of the rim. Press the compost down to remove any air pockets and then give the compost a good watering. Step 3. Place the seeds on top of the compost. The seeds are quite large, so can be placed individually. Place them between 1 and 2 inches apart from each other. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost and press down gently to remove any air pockets. Now fit a label to identify what you've planted. Step 4. Place the propagator tray in a warm, bright place, about 20 degrees C, but not in direct sunlight. Step 5. Within 14 to 21 days, the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 6. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First fill a pot with compost. Then water the compost and make a hole in the centre using your thumb or a stick. Next, water the seedlings prior to transplanting them. Try to hold the seedling by its leaf and not a stem, and then try to remove as much root as possible. Place the root in the hole in the compost and then gently press into position, being careful not to damage the roots or the stem. Now keep the plants warm and watered. Step 7. When the risk of any frosts has passed, it's time to plant outside. Harden the plants off first by leaving out for a week at night, but bringing inside during the daytime. Before transplanting them out, give the plants a good watering. Next, dig your soil. Remove any weeds and any large stones. Use a trowel to dig a hole in the soil. Now carefully remove the plant from its pot and place the roots in the hole in the soil. Press the soil round the roots and firm into position. Keep adjacent plants at least 12 inches apart. Finally, give the plants a good watering to establish them into position. Keep the plants watered and weed free, and deadhead them when the flowers are finished, and you'll have a beautiful display throughout the summer. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my gardening website. Thank you and goodbye.